बोल सकते हो, अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को।
ओके सर, अनम्यूट कर दो।
तेजस्विनी आप भी अनम्यूट करो।
लक्ष्मीकांत
मिताली
अनम्यूट।
चौधरी आप भी अनम्यूट करो। मिताली, लक्ष्मीकांत अनम्यूट करो।
ओके सर।
Okay. Now, firstly, I must congratulate you and compliment you for giving a fantastic performance. And it was
Thank you,
very,
sir.
थैंक यू
it
सर।
was very, very surprising for me that students from 6th and 7th class were talking so high and their spoken English was very good. Their content was very good. I am very impressed with the content of all the students, whether they were from the other group, that is 9th, 10th, or from 6th to 8th group. Content were very good, and I think if they have been helped by someone, still it is very good, but they have spoken very well, and it was very difficult for me to give the marks. Competition was so high that it was very, very difficult to decide who should get the highest marks and who should get the next best highest marks. So irrespective of the fact what grading do you get, what ranking do you get in this competition, the mere fact that you have taken part in this competition shows that you are very, very good. In fact, not good, you are very great students. Because I believe all students are good, but to become from good to great, you require something else. And you, all of you who have taken part in this competition, I can assure you, you are very, very great. You can do wonders, provided you carry on with the same zeal, with the same enthusiasm, with the same passion what you showed today. The best thing is the spoken English. If you are good in spoken English, 90% of your problem in life will be solved. Whether you become a teacher, you become a doctor, you become an engineer, everywhere you will find English very, very important. So I am so glad that most of students, in fact, all the students will keep it up, and you have brought laurels to your teachers. Your teachers who are your class teacher or any teacher who is associated with you, they will feel very proud of you. You have given them so much of happiness, so much of joy, so much of honor that they will be very happy, and that is the best gift you can give to your teacher. So thank you very much. It was nice interacting with you. And I must tell you that you have done wonderful job. Please keep it up. Keep on doing this debate competition wherever you get a chance.
Thank you, sir. Can you hear me? Can you all hear me? I lost the connection. Can you all hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
I think my connection lost in between. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your precious words. Thanks for motivating our children, and thanks for your precious time that you've shared with all of us.
Thank you, ma'am. It was pleasure, and I am honored.
Same here, sir.
And I thank Mrs. Sarita Sindhu that she was the one who gave me this opportunity, and this was an eye opener for me.
Thank you, sir.
And actually, it was an eye opener for me because I was under the impression, I have been in this field for last 11 years. I have interacted with students in the colleges and other things, but I was not aware that the students are so competent, especially in speaking English. It was eye opener for me, and I
I'm losing the connection again, so I could not hear half of it. So I'm so sorry for that.
I'm still here only.
All right. I missed half of it. I'm so sorry for that, sir. I
No,
just
no,
want
at
to
least
thank all of
I
you.
hope this only thing is what I said was that please thank Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Sarita
Sure,
Sindhu,
sure.
that she gave me an opportunity, and it was actually a very educative session for me, and it was an eye opener. And I am very, very impressed by the students, and I must compliment their teachers, their parents, and themselves for putting in such a wonderful performance. Thank you
Thank you,
once
sir.
again.
Thank you, sir. We are privileged to have you here. Thank you. Have a nice day, sir. All
Thank
of you, I'm going. So I'm going to end the meeting since it has a limited time period and it's creating a trouble now. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day,
Yes,
all of you. Have a nice day, sir.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Peter.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you to all.
Thank you, ma'am.